Okay, 7/12 minus 5/12. So let's see, we got 7 minus 5. So when we're subtracting fractions, they have the same denominators. We don't mess with the denominators. The denominators just stays the same. But it's important because this just tells us the total that we're, like the total potential or capacity. Like with a pizza, we're not actually subtracting the 12 slices. We're just saying the pizza came with 12 slices. And that's the total potential amount of pizza that there could be in a pizza. So what we actually have is 7 parts. What we actually have here is 5 parts. So we're just subtracting the parts. 7 minus 5 is 2. This is 2/12. But what are we doing here? Now we got to simplify this. The way we simplify is we look at this final fraction and say, can we divide the top and bottom by the same number without getting a remainder? We can divide 2 and 12 both by 2. So we divide 2 by 2 and 12 by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Our final answer is 1/6. We've got 7/18 minus 5/18. Again, we're going to subtract the top's denominator stays the same. 7 minus 5 is 2. Then we can divide the top and bottom by 2 again. And we get 2 divided by 2 is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 1/9 is equivalent to 2/18. We're just putting it in the simplest form possible. 3/9. Actually, I'm going to explain this one because it goes over 1, so that's important. So we have 3/10 plus 9/10. Again, add the top. Denominator stays the same. 3 plus 9 is 12. So first let's simplify by dividing the top and bottom by what we can. We can divide the top and bottom by 2. Both even numbers. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 10 divided by 2 is 5. But now we have an improper fraction. So how do we convert this to a mixed number? Well, how many 5s can we extract from that 6? We can extract 1. And what's left over when we pull that 5 out? We've got a 1 left over. So the final answer is 1 1/5.